Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our online class. Are you all happy, children? Yes. So, shall we start the class today? Yes. I hope that you all are safe at home. Okay, children? Children, in the previous classes, we have learned about chemical changes and physical changes, is it? We have seen briefly, is it? So, let's recall from that. Okay, so chemical change means it occurs when two or more chemical substances react to produce a new substance with a different set of properties, isn't it? So in that we have learnt about reddish brown deposition on iron objects, that's about rust we have completed. Then browning of vegetable and fruit surfaces we have completed. So we have seen that brown pigment called melanin, that is produced that causes browning of the surfaces, is it? Then reaction between vinegar and baking soda. So bubbles will form there when they are reacting, and that is due to the revolution of carbon dioxide gas. About that we have completed. Then reaction between copper sulfate solution and iron nails. For that also we have completed. Then so what's the equation we have learned? Copper sulfate plus iron. When copper sulfate it is reacting with iron, what's the product we will get? Iron sulfate and copper, is it? So copper sulfate plus iron, that gives iron sulfate plus copper, is it? Okay. Next we have learned about physical changes, is it? So what is called physical changes? Physical changes are the changes in which no new substances are formed. Example, formation of ice from water kept in a freezer. That is physical change, is it? So because the ice when kept in the open changes back to water. So we can say that as physical change. One more example we have discussed, that is about crystallization, is it? So what is called crystallization? Crystals are the purest solid form of a substance having a definite geometrical shape. So the process by which an impure compound is converted into its crystals is known as crystallization. So example, obtaining common salt from seawater, is it? Then about crystallization we have learned how the impurities it removed from the salt, is it? Sodium chloride. So that we have learned in the last class. So today we are going to write the notes, okay, in the booklet. Already we have written the notes in your booklet. So the remaining we are going to write today, okay? So you want to take your science 1 classwork booklet and copy these notes in your classwork booklet, okay? So first you should write the question which I have given, that is 10th question. Two subdivision A and B I have given in your booklet, okay, till 10th question. So from the same question, the subdivision C we are going to write today, okay. First you want to write C part, so don't forget, that is 10th question. A and B already we have written. From C we are going to write today, okay. Children, first 10th question A part, that is complete the following word equations, give their balanced chemical equations also. This is the question. So in that first one, magnesium plus oxygen gives dash. So for that already we have written magnesium plus oxygen, that gives, we all know that is magnesium oxide, is it? So the equation becomes 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Then B, iron plus oxygen plus water gives what? So we have written iron plus oxygen plus water gives, that is rust, is it? That is the iron oxide. So iron plus, that is Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2O3 into XH2O. Then the C part question. From this we want to write it in your booklet. Okay. So that is vinegar plus baking soda gives dash plus dash plus sodium acetate. So two product you want to write. That's the question, is it? So vinegar plus baking soda, what and all will get? We all know that is carbon dioxide, like bubbles it will be there, is it? So that is carbon dioxide plus water plus sodium acetate. So what is the equation? CH3COOH plus NaHCO3, that gives CO2 plus water H2O plus sodium acetate CH3COONA. This equation already while I teach I have explained, is it? Yes. Then carbon dioxide plus lime water, that gives dash plus dash. What's the product when we add this carbon dioxide with lime water? Calcium carbonate with water, is it? So this equation becomes, word equation becomes carbon dioxide plus lime water gives calcium carbonate plus water. So what's the equation? CO2 plus lime water, calcium hydroxide, is it? So hydroxide OH group, calcium Ca. So calcium hydroxide CaOH twice, that's the chemical formula, is it? So that gives, what's the product? Calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus water, so H2O, is it? Yes. Then next question is copper sulfate plus iron gives dash plus dash. What's the product? What is the two products we'll get when copper sulfate is reacting with iron? Do you know? Yes, iron sulfate and copper, is it? Iron sulfate and copper. So what's the word equation you will get? Copper sulfate plus iron, that gives iron sulfate plus copper, is it? So how to write the word equation? Copper sulfate plus iron, that gives iron sulfate plus copper. Have you all written? Yes. Next, what's the equation? How will you write the equation for this? What's the chemical formula for copper sulfate? CuSO4. Is it? CuSO4. So, CuSO4 plus iron. Iron Fe. That gives FeSO4. Is it? So that copper sulfate, it splits up into two. That is copper and sulfate. The sulfate will join with or attracted by this iron. So FeSO4 plus this copper, that is separated. So plus Cu. FeSO4 plus Cu. Okay. Next 11th question. So 10th question now only over. Okay. Four subdivisions are there. Five subdivisions are there. Don't forget to write. Then 11th one. Why do the cut surfaces of fruits and vegetables turn brown? This you all know, is it? So what's the answer? This is due to a chemical reaction between certain compounds present in these fruits and vegetables with the atmospheric oxygen. As a result of this reaction, a brown pigment called melanin is produced that causes browning of the surfaces. Then next question, number 12, write a short note on crystallization. So what's the answer? Crystals are the purest solid form of a substance having a definite geometrical shape. The process by which an impure compound is converted into its crystals is known as crystallization. For example, this process is used in obtaining common salt from seawater. Next, explain the process used for removing impurities from common salt. Chemically, common or table salt is sodium chloride. So what's the chemical formula for sodium chloride? NaCl. Common salt is obtained by evaporating seawater. The salt thus obtained contains certain undesirable substances such as magnesium chloride, sand, etc., mixed with sodium chloride. So we want to remove these impurities, is it? So these impurities are removed from common salt through the process of crystallization. In crystallization, maximum amount of common salt is dissolved in boiling water. The solution is then filtered to remove the insoluble impurities. The filtered solution is left undisturbed for a few hours. Sodium chloride will aggregate and form crystals with well-defined geometrical shapes, leaving behind the undesirable impurities in the solution. Next, choose the correct option. Already we have written few, choose, but remaining 3 are there. This you want to write it in your classwork booklet. Okay. What are the new substances, that is elements or compounds formed in a chemical reaction called? So the options given as rust, products, mixtures, reactants. So what's the answer? Products. It's a new substance formed in a chemical reaction called products. What is the substance responsible for the browning of cut surfaces of vegetables and fruits called? So you all know when the surfaces or the chemical compounds which is present there, it will be reacting with atmospheric oxygen, isn't it? So there the brown pigment that is called as melanin, isn't it? So here the options given as zinc, melanin, rust, copper. So answer is melanin. Which gas is released in reaction of vinegar with baking soda? So you all know that at last we will get the bubbles, is it? So that is the evolution of carbon dioxide. So here the options given as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. So the answer is carbon dioxide. Okay. Then let's remember part. We have some questions that also you want to write it in science first class of booklet. Okay. So that is fill in the blanks with correct words. Fill in the blanks with correct words. First question, two or more chemical substances react to produce new substances in a dash change. Physical or chemical? The answer is new substance produced, it is given. So answer is chemical change. Rusting being a dash change is dash. Rusting, that is chemical change, is it? So it is a permanent change. So answer is rusting being a chemical change is permanent. Dash gas turns freshly prepared lime water milky. Carbon dioxide or oxygen, that is carbon dioxide. Dash is formed when copper sulfate reacts with iron. Iron oxide or iron sulfate. Iron sulfate. Dash are the purest solid form of a substance having a definite geometrical shape. Crystals or chemicals. That is crystals, is it? Then answer the following questions orally. What are the two essential conditions for rusting? That is oxygen and water, is it? Then how can rusting of iron objects be prevented? So taking measures to protect the surfaces of iron objects from coming in contact with moisture, for example by oiling or painting, prevents rusting. Which gas is evolved in the reaction between baking soda and vinegar? That you all know, carbon dioxide. Why blue colored copper sulfate solution acquires a green color when iron fillings are added to it? That is because iron sulfate is formed when copper sulfate reacts with iron. That is iron sulfate solution is sea green in color. Then what's the fifth question? How is common salt obtained? That you all know, that is by evaporating sea water. Okay, so this all answers you want to write it in your science first class or booklet. Okay, and Saturday you want to submit for correction. So also you want to learn this. So thank you children. Thank you.